Hi guys, this video will teach you how to use Elementor and scratch with Elementor. We create some pages with Elementor. You need to install this plugin. Go to plugin section, just add new. Search Elementor here. As it is, this is the Elementor plugin. You need to install this and activate. Go to pages section now. We can add some page. Just type your page title, test video. I add this title. Just go to publish. Now go to edit with Elementor. I create this page into this. This is my website WordPress, and you can go and we will add some series here. We can create and add definitely blog and hosting providers. This is our services. Amazon affiliate website. I provide this service in Fiverr. You need just click on read more etc. This page we will teach you how to create. But for this video I create hero section. This is a hero section top. We create this hero section in this page. Some wait. Elementor is now loading. Yes, Elementor is loading. Please, sometime you need to wait it here. Here it is. Elementor is now load. We can create this page from scratch. So you need to click this plus icon and this section, single row, and add here single row. This is you need to go and just type. Go to style. Go to style list. Background type, image, we can use this image. We can provide this image in video description. This is, now you need to select position, center, repeat, no repeat, size, you need to cover, size and position. This is very important. You need to choose your size. This is a menu thing available. Now we can add some text. Go to click on heading and just drag and drop here and copy this text. Hello, my name is Zen. This text is copy and just go to style and change this text color, typography. We can use this like 65 and Roboto condense. I choose this font family and add some heading like this. Heading, go to heading section, just copy this thing and just do this and just paste this. You can add line break code. This is a line break code. Go to style, text color change into white. Family, we can use Poppin. This is a good font family. 14. Here it is. 9 height we can add like this. Now we can add some padding on image on top. Just go to this section, click on advanced. Just click on pencil button and add 200 padding here and bottom also 200. Here it is. We can add padding like this. Now this text color we need to padding left. Like this, go to just click pencil button. Here it is. Like this we can add paddings. 55 maybe. So 55 and subheading also. We can add padding 55. Now we add button like this. add here cutting as well. Left, we can add this time is 65. And design some button, you add your link. Subscribe our channel for interesting video. Spelling mistake here. Just change color into white. Something white is okay. We can change text color into black. However effect we can add text color will be black and main color is red. Like this we can our cursor will be go to button and this is a change like this is our effect. Very beautiful thing. This type we create hero section. This is simple hero section. We just create a few minutes, just 2 or 3 minutes. Check this. This is a section we create just a few minutes. Elementor provide this type. You can choose. We can go to some setting. Go to this setting button and text high title and product layout will be choose Elementor full width and just click on update. This section is very important. Now this page will be live in just a few seconds. Updated now. So here it is. This section will be same like this. This tab we can choose. This is a scratch page. Now we can choose. This is a template will be available for Elementor. We can use like this. Just insert button, apply. This plugin is added. This page is now just we can add image like this. We want to use this image, just insert media, choose anything. You want to change this tag like this. This type you will change like this. So thanks for watching guys. Subscribe our channel for interesting video. Bye for now.